Connecting a compatible stylus to the Honor Pad 9 requires using the charging stick accessory included with many Honor-branded styluses, such as the Magic Pencil 3. This tutorial outlines the steps to pair the stylus with the tablet. Step 1. Connect the charging stick. Take the charging stick that came with your stylus. Insert it into the USB-C port of the Honor Pad 9. A small indicator light may appear, or you may feel a subtle magnetic snap when the connection is secure. Step 2. Attach the stylus to the charging stick. Align the flat surface of the stylus with the flat magnetic side of the charging stick. Hold the stylus in place for a moment. The pairing process should begin automatically. A pairing message or light indicator will confirm that the connection is in progress. Step 3. Detach and attach to the tablet. Remove the stylus from the charging stick. Then attach the same flat side of the stylus to the top edge of the Honor Pad 9. This area contains a magnetic strip designed to hold and charge the stylus. Keep the stylus in place for a few seconds to finalize the connection. Step 4. Confirm the connection. The tablet should display a notification indicating that the stylus is connected. If no notification appears, detach the stylus and repeat the steps. Conclusion. Once the stylus responds smoothly to input on the tablet screen, the connection is successful. The process involves connecting the charging stick to the tablet, pairing the stylus via the stick, and then attaching the stylus to the magnetic edge of the Honor Pad 9.